Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to quickly show you this really nice bed frame from Yaheetech. They sent this one to me for this video review. It's an 82 by 56 by 41 inch bed frame. As you can see, it's a full bed frame. They have many other sizes for sure that you can pick from. But the thing that I like about this one is that it looks really good with all this kind of like really nice rack right here and the wooden details as well as the black frame. It is a very sturdy, actually very firm frame, as you can see right here. And the other thing I want to talk about is I'm going to show you that like super fast forward, a quick installation, but the assembly process was not super bad. It's just a little bit that if you have help, it's gonna be better. I did it with power tools and I think it took me an hour, I think, so like 60 minutes, no more than that. I think, yeah, between 60 minutes, I think. So if you have help, it's gonna be much better, mainly because of this part. Like assemble this part, the headboard right here. It's not super bad, but it's a little bit challenging if it is for just one person. So let's actually go super quick to the quick installation. Actually, I'm gonna fast forward that so you can actually see that it was kind of like fairly simple, just took some time. And then I'm gonna take you in a close-up so you can actually see the whole structure. So as you saw, it wasn't that bad, it wasn't super bad, just took me some time, and that's pretty much it. You will need power tools for sure, but I really like the frame right here. It's a solid frame, as I was saying before, and it's kind of like rugged, so it won't rust. That's actually super good. And I really like the wooden details right here on the back of the frame. And also the slates right here that you can actually screw if you want, because they have screws right here that you can actually apply for each one of them. I didn't, because actually this is super firm and try to remove it. As you can see, you can remove it. So this is why I didn't actually put the screws, but you can do it for sure. Let me actually put it back. You can see that it's pretty firm and pretty solid that I can even put it back again. Let me try that now. And you have 10 of this, and this in the middle is super reinforced with extra bolts and the legs. And another good thing is that you will also have, once that you put the mattress up here, the full size mattress, you will have enough room down here to do storage. And that's actually really good because you have the middle legs and the legs on the sides, and everything else could be storage. So I really like that because it gives you enough space, enough room to put like shoes, blankets, boxes, anything you need. Another good thing is, as you can see right here, it comes with an LED stripe right here in the headboard, which I think it's fantastic because you can actually change the colors. And right here on the side, you're gonna see the cable that you can actually plug to a power bank if you want, or you can actually plug it right here because, let me show you, it comes, as you can see, with an included outlet right here, a power outlet with 2 power outlets, 2 USB, and an on and off button right here that you can see that works perfectly since it's plugged to the actual wall. But I really like the fact that this actually works as a headboard, but also as a really nice way of storage, because you can actually put your, let's say that you don't have a nightstand or you want to keep your things close to you, so you can actually put a cell phone right here if you want, and you can have it charging right here on the actual headboard. Or you can put books, you can put the remote control of the TV, you can put decorations if you want as well, like photos. I think that's super versatile and it works really good both as a decoration and something nice to have as a storage option as well. So bottom line, I really like this product. I think it could be a really good one if you're looking for a solid bed frame with storage options and also that looks good with the headboard, like the wooden headboard and the black accents. It's super firm, as you can see, and it gives you the chance to put the storage right here on the bottom part, and for sure some storage right there with the power outlet as well, which I think it's super convenient to have. And the assembly, as I told you, it will take you up to an hour, I think so, if you don't have any help and have power tools. But otherwise, this is a really good product. I like it. Have many sizes, so you can actually pick another sizes from them as well. And other than that, I like it. It's a good one. I do recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.